problem natin is y is equal to c1x squared plus c2 e raised to negative x. So, dalawa yung constant, kaya dalawang beses tayo mag-differentiate. Y prime is equal to 2c1x minus c2 e raised to negative x. Y double prime is equal to 2c1, negative times negative, positive. So, positive c2 e raised to negative x. Kung papansin natin, pwede natin itong dalawa makancel since opposite signs. So, gawin natin yan. Copy na muna natin, magiging y prime is equal to 2c1 x minus c2 e raised to negative x. Y double prime is equal to 2c plus c2 e raised to negative x. Cancel natin itong dalawa, magiging y double prime plus y prime is equal to 2c plus 2c1x. Dito naman, ito namang dalawa yung pa-combine natin since pwede din ito makancel. So, copy muna natin y is equal to c1x squared plus c2 e raised to negative x. Y prime is equal to 2c1x minus c2 e raised to negative x. Cancel natin to. Magiging y prime plus y is equal to 2c1x plus c1x squared. Yan, mapapansin natin na merong common na c1, c1, c1 at c1. So, ilabas natin yung c1. Magiging c1 times 2 plus 2x y double prime plus y prime. So naman y prime plus y is equal to c1 times 2x plus x squared. Hanapin natin yung c1 in terms sa kanilang dalawa. So c1 equal to y double prime plus y prime all over 2 plus 2x. c1 is equal to y prime plus y all over 2x plus x squared. Since c1 is equal to c1, equate natin itong dalawang equation na to. Magiging y double prime plus y prime all over 2 plus 2x is equal to y prime plus y all over 2x plus x squared. Divide ay mag-cross multiplication tayo. Yan ito. So, magiging y double prime plus y prime times the quantity 2x plus x squared is equal to y prime plus y times the quantity 2 plus 2x. Mag-FOIL method tayo. Magiging yung first terms ng dalawa. Magiging 2xy double prime outside terms x plus x squared y double prime inner plus 2xy prime plus x squared y prime equal to first 2y prime outside plus 2xy prime inner plus 2y last is plus 2xy. So, check natin kung tama siya. 2xy double prime plus x squared y prime plus x squared y plus 2xy prime is equal to 2y prime plus 2xy prime plus 2y plus 2xy. So, tama pa naman siya. Papansin natin na may merong parehas 2xy prime at 2xy prime. Kaya magiging cancel na sila. Kasi magkaiba sila ng sides, pero magkaparehas ng sides. So, lipat natin lahat sa left side. Magiging 2xy prime plus x squared y double prime plus x squared y prime minus 2y prime minus 2y minus 2xy is equal to 0. Combine natin lahat ng same. So, itong dalawa muna. Magiging 2x plus x squared y double prime. Ang dalawa naman, magiging plus x squared minus 2 y prime. Tapos ito naman, magiging plus, ay i-minus na lang natin, minus 2 x plus 1 y equal to 0. So, yan na yung final answer natin.